In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deploy a Discord bot on a Proxmox LXC container running Ubuntu 22.04 and keep it online 24/7. We'll start inside Proxmox by creating a lightweight container. Choose the Ubuntu 22.04 template, allocate one CPU, 1 GB of RAM, and an 8 GB disk. Set the network to DHCP so it automatically picks up an IP address. These specs are great for a small bot, and you can always adjust later if you need more resources. When you're done, start the container so it's ready for configuration. Next, open the container's console from the Proxmox interface. This is where we'll run all commands. First, bring the system up to date with apt update and an apt upgrade .y. Keeping packages current helps avoid security issues and odd dependency problems. Now install the tools we need to fetch and build the project by running apt install.y curl git. Curl will help us set up Node.js, and Git will pull down the bot's code. To install the long-term support version of Node.js, use the node source setup script with curl fsl 8.https nodesource.com/setup lts x bash, and then install node.js with apt install.y node.js. Verify the installation with node.env and npm.cv. Seeing version numbers here confirms everything is in place. With the environment ready, download your bot's code, run git clone, followed by your repository link, then change into the project folder, for example, cd Clawdbot. If your repository uses a different folder name, adjust that path accordingly. Install the project dependencies by running npm install. This step may take a moment as it downloads and compiles everything the bot needs. Add your Discord bot token so the application can authenticate. Open the configuration file with nano.env or, if your project uses it, nanoconfig.json. Paste the token into the appropriate field, then save and exit by pressing Ctrl+X, then Y, then Enter. Keep this token private and never commit it back to your repository. To test the bot, start it with node-index.js. If configured correctly, you should see console output indicating a successful login or initialization. You can stop it at any time with Ctrl+C. To keep the bot running around the clock and survive reboots, install PM2 globally with npm install PM2g. Launch the bot under PM2 using PM2 start index.js. Name Clawdbot. Persist the process list with PM2 save, then enable startup on boot with PM2 startup. PM2 will print a command on screen. Copy and paste that exact command into the console to finalize the setup. That's it. Your Discord bot is deployed on Proxmox, updated, and set to run continuously.